Hey guys, what's up? Hope you are doing fine on the pandemic. Now today we are going to learn about the trim command. Trim is very necessary command because sometimes we are drawing the figure and the line figure and something may be exceeding. So we need to trim that or we need to remove that. So to do so we need a trim command, and you might have seen a different figure here. This figure are drawn to make you understand the different types of trim. First of all, go to trim and click on trim entities. After going here, you will see different types of trim entities. It will be useful depending upon the figure or the depending upon the situation. First of all, let's go to Powertrain. To do Powertrain, you can directly go here and click here and click here. You can see this part is removing. So the trim basically it will, how does it work means it will find the nearest vertex and then it will remove from here. Let's remove this part. So you need to select this part and select this part, so it is gone. If you need to remove this, then you can directly delete it. Now if you select this part, sorry, let's go to trim entities and power trim. Select this one and then select this one. Can't be trimmed because there is no entity to trim. I hope you have understood this one, first one. Now second one is corner. Corner means it will trim up to the nearest vertex. For example, if you select this and it will select this, the another this side part is gone. It will trim to the vertex, and the most commonly used trim tool is here, trim to corner and trim to closest. We'll be doing this also. So now is trim away inside. Trim away inside means it should trim the things that is inside. Now go to trim, click on trim away inside, select this one, this line and this line, and if you need to trim this, so click here. It is gone because it was inside of these two line. We have selected this line and this line, and this line has gone because it was inside the line. Now again go to trim option, trim entities, and now trim away in outside. Okay, trim away outside is also very useful tool. Click on trim away outside. If you need to trim these outside lines and if you need to make this as a square, then select this and select this line, the outside line. Here the inside line was gone, here the outside line was gone. Same goes to this also. I hope you understood this command also. Now the last command in the trim is trim to closest. Trim to closest, click here, select this line, select this line, select this line, select this line. Trim to closest means it will trim to the closest vertex. Look, it will trim to the closest vertex. This was the closest vertex, so the extended line or the more line, it will be trimmed to the closest vertex. Look, hope you have understood. And I have already told you corner and trim to closest will be the most used trim tool. Click on OK. Now in the same trim entities we have extend entities. So click on extend entities. It is used to extend the thing entities, like you need some of line between these two, so you select this. Okay, it is saying that element could not be further. You can select this. In the extend entities, it should have sorry. In the extend entities, it should have allowed something to extend because it is already in the close vertex. You can see that it is already in the close vertex. It won't extend. So that first of all make a line. Okay, let's make it here and make a little bit gap, and again let's make a line. Okay, now if you go here and look, as you can see, this line is extended to the another line. The gap has been fulfilled. Let's try another one to make you more understand. Go to sketch, front plane, line, one line, and again another line with a little bit gap, so it will be easy for us to extend. So click on extend entities. You can see like the gap has been filled up by the line. I hope you understood the trim and trim entities tool. Now thank you guys, thank you for watching this.